Hello everyone, this is Shrutoshini. I welcome you all to my channel Light of Life with Shrutoshini. Before starting the video, I would request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notifications about my new uploads, and also if you like the video, please like, comment and share. Sometimes in life, when we fail or if we get emotionally hurt, we feel everything has ended. Now nothing more can happen. Everything has happened already. Sometimes we feel like going far away and stay there. The place where nobody knows us. The place where we feel peaceful. But do you think that if we do so, then that will be right? Are you sure that the place where you will travel to, there no sadness, no difficulty will engulf you? Let me take you out of that illusion. Actually, nothing of this sort happens till the day we are alive. Till the day we are breathing. Till that day, we will face highs and lows, happiness and sadness, comfort and discomfort in our lives. The real thing is till how much time you can keep anything hidden in your heart. All the words of your past, all the words that have made your heart ache does not roam around outside. Everything stays inside our heart. And that is the reason why you will not be able to go away leaving all these things behind. Actually, all these things is a play created by our heart and mind. Through this, we gradually keep on binding us, and that is the reason why things become complex. We get connected to our happiness when we visit our favorite place, or when we do our favorite work, or when we spend some moments with that special person. Everybody keeps on asking this question that how to keep calm. How can we get out from those 1,000 depressions roaming inside our heart? Then let me tell you one thing, that there is nothing called depression or anything which is negative. All these things are a farce, a fear created by us. This is such an air which we cannot see even if we want to. But every day we feel these things. Now see. Air is also of two types. One is pure air and the other is impure air. In the pure air, you can breathe wholeheartedly. You can roam around here and there. But in the impure air, we cannot do so. Then what do we do at that time? We try to make sure that the air does not enter our mouth by covering it with a cloth. We should do the same thing with depression. We should stop it from entering us. Now, how will this happen? This will happen if you lessen your expectations from people. Stop giving importance to other people more than yourself. If anyone is talking ill to you, then stop it from entering your heart. Do not ever think that what is not there with you. Always see that what you have. Going away from someone, failing in doing something, or failing in your exams, all these things are mere small things in front of your happiness. Today I will be talking about something that is there in my heart which will keep you all at peace from inside. Please listen to this video with all your mind and heart and try to understand. Before starting the video, I would request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notifications about my new uploads, and also if you like the video, please like, comment and share. If you have clothes to wear, food to eat and a place to stay, then understand that you are richer than 75% people of this world. If you have enough money with which you can go to your favorite place, or you have already been there, then that is a very big thing. If in the earlier week you have led a good life with a proper health, then consider yourself lucky from those people who died in the earlier week due to some reason. If you can see, listen and understand this video, then you are lucky from those who cannot see and listen. The life is not made for complaints. The life is made for many reasons which is needed to keep us happy. Let go of the things that has gone. Now the time has come to let the thing out of our heart and mind that has gone from our hands. Keeping all these things in our lives like a garbage creates inconvenience and hurt us. Once a student traveled with his teacher. He told his teacher, "Sir, I am always anxious. There is always something or the other in my head. What should I do? How should I stay? The teacher told him a story. He said, one day in a big forest, an elephant was eating something peacefully from a tree. At that point, a bee arrived. The bee started buzzing in the ears of the elephant. The elephant was still eating peacefully. The bee started buzzing louder, but still the elephant was eating peacefully. The bee this time got a little closer to the ear and kept on buzzing. The elephant was still eating. The bee got really angry and asked the elephant, "Can't you hear anything?" The elephant just looked at the bee and said no. Now the bee said, "I tried to irritate you so many times, then why did you not say anything?" The elephant said, "Right now I am eating to fill my stomach." The bee answered, "How can you stay so calm?" "I cannot keep my calm. I keep on buzzing throughout the day." Now the elephant gave a really good answer. The elephant said, "I have a reason to stay calm the whole day. Whenever I do any work, I concentrate completely on that work. I give all my conscience to that work and do not think that what is irritating me." Listening to this story, the student laughed and understood the whole thing. Whatever thing you will allow to enter within you, it will keep on traveling inside you. If you keep on saying to yourself that I am very sad and I cannot keep my calm, then the same thing will keep on reverberating in your mind and heart. But you should concentrate on those things, work and people who give you peace. The people with whom you feel relaxed, the work which you enjoy doing. Keep yourself in that environment. You have a lot to do, but you have very few moments to live. If you keep on crying and let those few moments pass, then your life will be of no use. Take a pen and paper and write all the things that you want to do in life. Set all your goals and achieve them one by one. You will see and feel that you are happy. I would like to believe that today, through my words, you have learned something new, something good. After listening to the video, if you like it, then please press the like button. Do not forget to comment and share with your friends.